Patient care, to me, it is providing respect to the patient and treating the individual how I would want to be treated. And so I think that being able to provide a patient experience where they feel comfortable and they feel as though we have their best interest in mind. My name is Dr. Adam Clark, and I'm an oral maxillofacial surgeon for Orange County Centers for Oral Surgery and Dental Implants, and I mainly practice at the Mission Viejo location. Ever since I was younger, I've just always loved healthcare, taking care of people and helping people. For me, oral surgery is the perfect opportunity to help patients and to give them a good service. As an oral maxillofacial surgeon, I provide surgical services of the mouth and face, and so very routine wisdom teeth to dental implants, bone grafting. What I think also sets us apart is we also take call at our local regional hospital, and so we also provide services to the community and give back. We always have someone on call and helping those individuals that have an infection or are in a trauma. An easy solution for patients to choose Orange County Centers for Oral Surgery and Dental Implants is our experience. So combined, I know our practice has been in existence since the 1970s. All of our surgeons are board certified. It enables, not just one opinion, but the potential for 5 opinions of 5 surgeons.